So you see it clicks on the comment button now for you.
Oh my god, it's happening! Shoot! Okay, please
Okay.
go ahead. Hello, AI Wizard. So, I have this LinkedIn account that I would like to grow faster, expand my followers and connections. And so one of the things I have to do every morning is go through my LinkedIn timeline, go through each post and comment on them to improve the engagement. However, this takes a lot of time, and I would like to explore using Claude MCP to automate this process, basically creating an AI agent that can just help me comment on LinkedIn posts. Could you help me out there? I have very little time, so I just want to make this really quick, as fast as possible. Thank you.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, sure. Glad to have you here with us. Yeah, sure. We can use Claude and AI MCP connection to help you to automate this work and make it more efficient for you.
Okay. Cool.
So, yeah, we're going to start by going to the guide of Playwright, MCP Playwright, and we're going to run a bunch of commands here.
I see.
And I hope for our viewers and for you, I hope you already watched our guide before and you have all the necessary prerequisites installed. You would need to have a Claude desktop installed and you would need Node.js installed. The link for those guides will be in the video's description.
Got it.
Okay. So first, we will need to copy the command, the first command that you see under the installation section. Yep, this one.
Okay, let me copy
that.
that.
We're going to copy it, and then we're going to launch a terminal. So you are going to press Command space on your keyboard, which will open up a command line, and you are going to type terminal there. Yep.
Got it. It's opened. Yeah.
So here we can insert the commands and run them basically. So you can just paste the command that you copied earlier and press enter. Okay.
I'm running this right now. All right, I've installed the npm package. What do I do next, AI Wizard?
All right. So now we're going to install the browsers for Playwright. And you already have the guide here. So we just need to copy the first command here.
Okay.
And go to the terminal, just paste it and enter like we did before.
Okay. Okay, to proceed, yes.
To ask for confirmation, yeah, you need to type Y and then enter. Alright, so what we're going to do here, because it requires a more special setup. So as you can see directly in your terminal, at the bottom you see two commands. One is saying npm install add playwright/test. So we're just going to copy that first.
Where's this? Where's the command?
At the bottom.
In the terminal?
npm, yes, inside the terminal at the bottom.
This one?
This would be the command. Okay, you copy.
Yeah.
Paste it.
Yeah.
Okay, however you need to modify something.
Okay.
So you are going to move your cursor to the left after npm install. So
okay.
Just move it. Okay, and here, space.
Yep.
Dash.
Slash.
Dash.
Dash.
G.
Okay.
And then enter. So this is a small prerequisite required to install it. And now we're going to rerun the command from the guide.
Okay.
So scroll up a little bit.
So
copy the first command after the install browser section. Okay, enter. Export. Paste it and enter. Yeah. Okay. So I believe that's it. Now we are ready to actually integrate and connect it with Claude Desktop. So we're going to go back to the GitHub guide.
Okay.
We have your second tab in the browser.
Yeah.
Right. And we are going to scroll down here. Scroll down. Okay. A little bit up. Yeah. You can see the section called configuration to use Playwright server.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we would need to basically paste this configuration into our Claude config. So what we're going to do now, first of all, we're going to launch Claude Desktop.
Launch Claude Desktop. Okay, so this part you need to cut this out. Okay, I'm going to connect VPN. Is this going to... Okay, yep, done. and then launch Claude Desktop.
Yep.
Terminal.
So
Yep.
launching Claude.
Yep. Okay, I'm in Claude. Yep.
Okay. So now at the top bar, we're going to click on the Claude near the Apple icon. Yes. Click on the Claude, and then settings.
Mm-hmm.
So here we're going to go to developer settings.
Yep.
Yep. And click on edit config button.
Okay.
So this will point us to the file that we're going to use to configure MCP to establish connection. So we're going to right click on it, open with, and text edit. This can be any text editor that you prefer. On Mac, default is text edit. So in this guide, we're going to copy the part, not everything, only the part that says playwright from the beginning. Fill the closing bracket at the bottom, which would be not all of them. Leave two brackets like empty at the bottom. Yeah, like this. Yeah.
Okay.
So only 4 lines basically. We're going to copy it. Okay. We'll go back to our text editor.
Mm-hmm.
And here we're going to go 2 brackets up from the bottom. So we leave 2 brackets. Okay. Now we're going to go to the right at the end of this bracket on this line.
Mm-hmm.
And type comma.
Okay.
Enter. And we're going to paste what we copied earlier.
Okay.
Okay, now we're going to save file. You can press Command S to save, or just click on the file at the top and click on save here.
Got it.
Yeah.
Save.
So now we can close this file.
Okay. Got it.
And now we need to relaunch our code. So we need to fully quit it first by clicking at the bottom and quit. Yep. And then launching it again by pressing Command Space, Command Line, and typing close.
Good. Okay.
Okay. So now we can already try and use it for LinkedIn.
Oh, already?
So yep, that should be it. So let's just try something.
Oh, wow. All right. Can you go to my LinkedIn timeline and comment on a post that is related to technology? Okay. Let's try a simple one, right? Okay. Let's try that.
Let's try.
Let's try. Woohoo! My God. Getting excited here. Allow for this chat.
Yeah, it's going to ask for a bunch of permissions for each action. So we're just going to allow it, and then we'll go for you. So let's see if that happens.
It is. It is. It's the Chromium browser. What do I do now? Okay, browser is being opened.
So let's just wait.
Okay.
It's going to LinkedIn, and let's go back to the chat and this way, because it's going to ask for more. It's going to allow it.
So I just click allow. Do I go back to LinkedIn?
No, let's just wait. Let's just wait. We can see what happens there anyways. So
Okay.
at this point, what should happen is that it should tell you that it is not able to log in. So we're going to wait for that, and then we're going to manually log in on Claude, and then we're
Okay.
so let's just give it a moment here.
So now it's trying to access my LinkedIn, right? This is what it's doing.
Yeah, it's trying to analyze and see what's going wrong. Okay, so here it says that it's not able to log in. So you have some options. For example, you can provide Claude with credentials, which I do not recommend to do, or you can just log in yourself. So in this case, perhaps you can just switch to the browser and just log in yourself.
Okay. So I'll sign in.
And for viewers, this part will be cut out. Just log in normally as you do.
Okay, I am logged in.
Okay, so now that you are logged in, we're going to go back to Claude, and you can just ask it to continue. You can just tell it that you are already logged in. Please continue, for example.
You are already logged in. Please continue. Okay.
So what it should do now, it should check the browser screen. And it might ask additional permissions. Yeah, so it says now it can see the things, so we can just allow. It's going to continue, and now it's going to scroll it a bit and find the posts.
So the browser I just opened on the left side, this is not what Claude is using, right? Or is it this is the one Claude is using?
That's what Claude is using right now. So it's opened a separate browser, which is just Chrome, but like a more minimal version of Chrome, so that Playwright can control it.
But I don't see it moving around the website. How come? It doesn't move around.
Because sometimes it might not move around, like you might not see some things, but AI can see those. You can read what AI is telling you here. For example, so you see it clicks on the comment button now for you.
Oh my god, it's happening! Shoot! Okay, please, go ahead. Oh my goodness! Oh my god! Wow. Wow, this is quite amazing to see. This is the future. We are in the future now. Wow.
Yeah. And again, normally you would just leave it running in the background. You can treat it as your intern who does this for you.
Yeah, so
sometimes you need to check in, but most of the times you can do the work in the background.
That's right. You don't have to stare at the stare at the screen like I'm doing right now. This is just for demonstration, by the way. Okay. So I think he's done it already. So I think we can done it. He's done it. All right. So guys here, so now that you've seen the demo, you've learned how to use Claude MCP to basically automate your LinkedIn engagement. So if you want to learn more about these things, please subscribe to our channel, AI Wizard School. We also have a private AI solution services that helps you deploy AI solution privately and securely, because what the things that we've done just now, we're giving away a lot of sensitive data, and I'm sure you don't want to do that, especially for work purposes. So if you just come to my profile here, you can see myprivatelm.com. This is the website where you can find more details about consulting solution services. So here you go. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.